How to change name on Facebook. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, simply launch the Facebook application on your device and make sure you are logged into your account. As you're logged into your account, tap on your profile at the top right corner of the screen and then select on the gear icon. Select on See More in Account Center option over here. As you do that, scroll down and tap on Personal Details. Now select on the option of Account Ownership and Control, and here you can see there is no option. So let's get back and then tap on the options over here. So let's tap on the Profiles option. Tap on your profile and here you can see the option of Name. So just tap on Name and here you can just tap on the first name and then last name and change the name over here. You can just tap on Save Changes, and that's how you can change your name on Facebook. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.